Hello and good day. Welcome to this tutorial. This is Cleanwash version 1. I'm going to be walking you through how to make use of the back office. Before you begin to make use of the application, you need to have configured your prices, your settings, and every other thing. So I'm going to show that to you just within 5 minutes. First, we have to log in as an admin. So I'm going to log in as the admin. Now when you log in as admin, of course you see this front desk, but this button shows up, which is the back office. It opens another window that is the back office. So after clicking that button, you get this back office window. To the left you see a menu. We have clothes. All the clothes items are here. To add clothes, you just click on new. You type the clothes name and the pieces and then save. We already have items here. I'm going to show you. I've just shown you how to add an item, so I can also show you how to import. To import large items, you have many items, you don't want to enter them one by one. Click on tools, import, and then you create an Excel file. Save it as this. When in the save as option, when you are saving the Excel file, select this option and then click save. Open that file here by clicking on browse. These are the ones I've already done. Click on browse, open them, click open. You can see the file type here and then click on import. This button will become highlighted. Make sure the Excel file you are creating follows strictly this format. There should be no left columns or rows. A should be for clothes, B for pieces, C for description. If you should jump rows or columns or leave some empty, you will have problems or issues, rather. So please make sure you adhere strictly to that and then there will be no issues. So the same goes for services. You click on new to create new, select item, edit to edit, delete to delete. The same goes for prices, but prices is a little bit different. Let me show you what the difference. If you click on new, you have to select the services here and then select the cloth item you want to create the price for. Let's say this bathrobe, and then the amount, and then you click on save. You can do this for all the prices you have to enter manually, or you can import them also by clicking on tools, import, and then the format for pricing is this: cloth name, service price. The cloth name must be the names in the application. Service prices. So again, select browse, make sure it is Excel 97 2003 format. Select the price list, click on open, and then this button will become highlighted. Then click on import, and then to import without any issues. If you have issues, please redo the file. That will be only reason why the items refuse to import. Orders is to view the orders we have accumulated so far. Just two. When you click on any of them, you see a summary here showing you the details of the items, and then you can, of course, in all these windows, you see a search bar here. You can use this to filter each of the lists. Employees is where you create your employees. When you click on new, you enter the employee name, username, and password are important. Select the role the person is going to act as. A manager and receptionist mostly. Administrator should really be given out to any employee, so please check this very well before you assign them to an employee. And then customers, all the customers that are created by the front desk officer will show up here, so you can also manage the customers here. Perhaps the phone number changed or the address changed, you can manage all that here. Reports is to view reports of items you have accumulated. For example, I'm going to view report of orders, and I'm going to say today as the date period and click on print. So this is the report for the orders. You can see the date, the time, the ID, the customer, the status. This is new. This order has not been collected. This one has been collected. Amount has been paid for the order. amount due. So this is the summary of the orders that has been generated so far. So I'm going to show you other details now. There are so many other reports here. You select the report you want to print, select the period. If you want to use a custom date, select custom and then modify the date and time manually. Make sure the time starts from the start time is higher, AM, and the other one lower. Alright, and then you click on print to see the report. And then settings is where you configure the settings of the application. General is to view general settings, company name, address, phone, email, all this. Peripherals is to configure your hardware, your receipt printer here, your tag printer, the sizes of the printer, your invoice printer if you have invoice attached to that computer. Display and cash drawer, you can configure them here. If you need assistance with this, you can contact us. Printing, the items that shows in the receipt, you can configure it here. Items that are ticked will show, the ones that are unticked will show on the receipt. Data is where you make backups. So, and restore, you have to do this manually for standard edition of this version 1. The professional edition backs up automatically for you. So you click on backup, choose a file name, and then click on save. The same goes for restore. If you want to restore, click on restore, choose the file name, and then click on open. So POS is configuring decimal places that you are going to use in the application, and then to add more payment types you can do that here. I've just walked you quickly briefly through how to use the back office. It's not a very difficult software. It's actually very easy. You can quickly set this up by merely looking at it because it is self-explanatory. But if you need any assistance, if you need any more videos of something that you cannot do, some of them will send by mail, some will send by video.